In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove your WhatsApp account from another device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up WhatsApp app and then tap right here to head over to settings. On settings, we can easily find linked devices here, and if we get into it, it will show us all the devices including mobile devices on an iOS and on an Android system, and the PC, Macs, all the other platforms. Here I got just a Windows platform, and then if we wanna log out our account from that device, we can easily do so using our current device. To do that, we need just to get into it and then hit log out and then confirm it. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.